Happy Tuesday, everybody. This is Mike Zuzolo with your May 28th grain market update. The phrase in the grain futures market after the holiday was not rain makes grain. It was more like too much rain hurts late planted grains. The heavy rains in Iowa, southern Minnesota, and western Illinois over the weekend created a very bullish environment for the new crop, row crops on Tuesday, with the market very anxious about additional rain potential in the upcoming 10-day forecast. Also, uncertainty on the USDA's crop planning report due out after the close on Tuesday. These two features helped to keep the weather premium in place through the closing bell. This obviously brought out a correction in the bull spread along with it. On a percentage basis, beans led the gains on Tuesday. This was something very curious to some contacts and clients that I spoke with, but I think it's worth noting that the trade estimates for bean planting was under the 50% mark heading into Tuesday's report by USDA. If that's even close to being correct, we're talking about still about 38.5 million acres of unplanted beans in this country as we head into a very important crop planting date for beans, that June 5th time period. Planting after June 5th tends to bring about lower yield, and I think the trade is very well in tune with that. So China also purchased some new crop beans, and I think that lends some support along with some good weekly export inspections across the board on the demand front. As a result, Nove beans made new highs into Tuesday's close, moving over 40 cents higher, closing back above the 100-day moving average for the first time since February 7th. Wheat found selling pressure on Tuesday, pulling on the corn somewhat as it was both the sell side of the spreads and also felt some spillover pressure from 2% losses in the rice market. The stronger dollar also probably brought some pressure in from a speculative standpoint, even though weather isn't the best for the southern plains in this next week. That's something to keep an eye out for as we head into the rest of the week. For more information, go to globalanalytics.biz. Please remember there is substantial risk of loss in trading futures and options, and the impact of cycles or current events on prices may be already reflected in futures. Have a great day, everybody.